In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a PayPal gift card code in just a few minutes. To start, head over to the PayPal website, your gateway to managing your funds, sending money, and of course, redeeming gift cards. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Give that a click to begin signing in to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you enter these correctly to avoid any hiccups. If you're having trouble remembering your details, don't worry, there's an option to reset them. Once your credentials are filled in, go ahead and log into your account. Now here's something important to note. PayPal doesn't provide a straightforward method to redeem a gift card directly. But don't worry, there are a couple of alternative ways to make the most of your gift card. One option is to use the gift card just like any other card when making a purchase online. This is probably the easiest method, especially if you shop frequently on websites that accept PayPal. However, if you'd rather transfer the funds from your gift card to your PayPal balance, you'll need to take a few more steps. Start by navigating to the Pay and Get Paid section in your PayPal account. This section helps you manage your money, whether you're sending or receiving payments. Within this section, head over to Wallet and then click on Banks and Cards. It might look a bit intimidating with all the options, but don't worry, you'll want to look for the Link a Card button. This is where you can add your gift card to your PayPal account by entering the card details, just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. Once your card is linked, you'll have the option to transfer the funds from your gift card directly to your PayPal account. This can often be more convenient than using the card for individual purchases, giving you more flexibility in how you use your money. These methods should help you make full use of your PayPal gift card. Whether you use it for purchases or transfer the funds, you've got options available. PayPal might not give you a direct route, but with a bit of navigation, you can still reach your destination. So go ahead and put that gift card to good use. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need extra help, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and guides.